So what's going on now? I've been asking you out for quite some time. What's going on? Why don't you want to give me an answer?
How many times like you are disturbing me?
Come on now, you know I like you so much. I want you in my life. I want to...
Do your likeness pay maybe? I don't understand. Just too low for me.
My class is too low for you. You are not even getting to know me to start with.
My dear, you're just too broke.
I can do anything to come on, what do you mean I'm so broke? What?
You are just too broke. I don't want you.
Excuse me. Excuse me.
I told you. I will see someone that is more better than you. Excuse me.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
How are you doing?
I'm okay.
I want to ask you a question,
Please.
please.
This bad guy, he's just my brother. Nothing more.
No,
I'm
no,
very,
no,
I'm
no,
single and searching.
No. Come now. I want to ask you a question, I beg. Don't be
I
funny.
look good for you. Can't you look? Can't you see?
You are good. I love everything, but I beg. What? I beg. You get what you big pass is good. We have to go toilet now. I beg. Jesus! I beg. Talk now. We have to go toilet.